Hi everyone, welcome to Quality Food Safety 101. So today I was talking to some of my friends. So they asked me why this channel Quality Food Safety 101. So my answer to this is why not? On social media you can find content on each and everything from dresses to cooking to dance rehearsals to sketch artists. Everybody is there on social media. So why not food and food safety? Food is the basic necessity for everybody. We are handling food at our homes and in our food establishments, in our restaurants, manufacturing companies, everywhere. So we need to spread awareness about food safety and food quality, and that is the purpose of this channel. Uh, a few months back, when I was on YouTube, I searched about food safety channels and food safety information, and I only found a very handful of channels who were handling food safety subjects, and I could divide them into three categories. Category one is for those channels who have a lot of information about various topics and have food safety as maybe one part or one subject, a few videos on it. Then second category is of training companies who have their channels and they will give a small information in a video, and then they will encourage you to subscribe or to visit them physically and do the full training course. So it's a promotional kind of a channel. And the third is the government entities, like FSA has a very good YouTube channel, USFDA has a YouTube channel as well. But those channels are promoting government policies basically. So there was a niche, or there was a gap which was there for a channel which will give free information on food safety and food safety related topics and to spread awareness. So that's why I created this channel. On this channel, we will keep creating content as we are doing right now. We will give trainings, we'll talk about standards, and the trainings will be of same quality which you will find in any training institute. Only I cannot give certification, but full knowledge will be there from basic to advanced level. And we will talk about, as I said, about standards and new regulations. Like nowadays we have made some videos about COVID, which is also impacting the food industry. And in the same way, whatever impacts food industry, food establishments, and in general food and food safety, we will talk about it. Food safety is not only important in establishments, it is important at home also. So currently uh, one basic food safety series is going on. In addition to that, after that we will do a HACCP series. I'm creating content in my local language Urdu as well. So that is also on the same channel. If you understand Urdu or Hindi, you can have a look at that. I urge you all to like the channel, subscribe, and spread the knowledge. This is the most important thing. If you don't spread the knowledge, there is no point in having the knowledge. Knowledge in your own mind is only with one person. If you spread it, it goes far and beyond what we can think of. So we need to spread the knowledge, show the videos to your home members or your spouses, show the videos to your food handlers, and I hope that you gain some knowledge from it. Thank you. See you in the next one.